Yo, what's up YouTube? What's going on? It's me Sajjad bro again. Welcome back to another video. I'm here to show you my vlog setup. First of all, wait. First of all, thank you so much those coming to my channel, those are subscribing my channel. I see lots of people in this week subscribe my channel because I was uploading shorts videos continuously and also my long videos on my channel. So I noticed there new family member came to my channel. Thank you so much. Welcome to my channel, guys. And I hope you will enjoy the videos in the future videos or one I already uploaded on my channel. So yes, thank you so much for coming on my channel, for subscribing me. I really appreciate. It's a big help for me, guys. um, okay, let's move to the topic today. I'm going to guide you or show you, we can say, show you or tell you about my setup. If you guys going to start motovlogging, especially my public, my audience, my member, my family member are from Asia, like India, Pakistan, and here in the UAE. So they request me always, you guys, I mean you guys always request me, always DM me that guide us about the motovlogging and what accessory you are using, what camera you are using, and where we can buy that accessory, that camera, and how much it does it cost, each and everything. So message I receive that they are telling that just tell us whatever you are using, how are you creating your videos, your short, the camera you are using or setup. I already mentioned. Okay, just tell us, and then we guide us. We want to buy this. So I'm going to tell you this setup is not a budget-friendly setup. Okay, if you guys not going to compromise about your video quality and your voice quality, this is two things you need. You need 100%. You need to focus 100% on these two things, and you don't want to compromise on these two things, like your video quality and your voice quality. So I think this setup will be help you. Okay, so as I say, this is not a budget friendly setup, budget friendly, whatever you can say. Okay, of course, if you buy a expensive your dream bike, of course you will not compromise on the video quality and the voice quality, if I am not wrong. So the boys telling me that we are happy to buy expensive gear, but we don't want to waste our time on the different things. So please guide us what exactly we have to buy to start motovlog. So this is a video about those things. So let's start with the video. First of all, if you guys, I mean you first time watching my video and you didn't subscribe my channel, make sure you subscribe it. Okay, so first let me introduce you myself. I'm Sajjad bro, living UAE, Abu Dhabi. This is my bike, Yamaha MT-07 2023 model. I am doing this motovlog since 1.5 year, but on the YouTube it's going to be 2 year and 2.5 year, maybe, yeah, 2.5 year almost. But yeah, I started motovlog 1 year before, because it was my dream bike, or it was my dream, or it was my passion to start a motovlog channel. But still I'm in progress. But I am happy, even though I don't have that much public on my channel. You guys can see the subscriber number below down here. But I'm still happy. At least I'm doing my passion. I am following my passion. I am doing what I like, and showing you also who like biking, motovlogging, blah 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 blah. Let's move to the topic. Okay, now I will move my camera to my setup. You can see behind me here, and I will tell you whatever I am using for my motovlog and how much does it cost, where you can buy. I will guide you. I will tell you. So let's move to the setup, guys. Just have a look. This is my beast MT-07 from Yamaha. So anyway, this is my camera, the one I am using, Insta360S Pro. You can see the model here. This is I'm using. Why I didn't buy the Pro 2, S Pro 2 is already in the market. The second version of this, like latest version of this camera, and I will not recommend you to buy that one also, because of the accessory in the market. Okay, for example, if you are going to buy camera in the market, motovlog camera, you don't need only camera. Okay, you have to buy this whole things, the one I am using on this things right now. The way I mount my camera here, let me put here. Okay, this you can see this all clip, you can see this little things, mic adapter, you can see this mic from DJI, you can, but the whole things holding this whole thing, this is frame here, this frame right now here. This is very useful for me. Since I bought this, I'm very happy to use it, but there is a one what you call that, the drawback of this frame, camera frame, because I don't have access to the recording button on top here on the camera, but I control my camera by my voice. It has a feature that we can control this camera by voice. I will let you hear if I can read my voice from there, because it's connected with the, wait, like this, start recording. See, it start recording already. Hello. And now I will say stop recording. See, he stopped the recording. So this is how I control my camera, because I don't have access to record button here because of this mic receiver. We can say receiver, or yeah, receiver. Okay, the one I'm using on this. How I mount this here, let me show you. See, this is the record button here, camera record button. This is the place I mount this thing here, mic receiver, and boom, I am ready to go. This is the cleanest setup I am showing you guys. Okay, those don't want to waste too much time, or they don't have space around their helmet, putting wire everywhere. Okay, so this is the way I'm using this setup. Anyway, so this is the AS Pro camera I bought. When I bought this camera, it was new in the market. I bought it around 1600 dirham. But right now this camera is cheap now because of the second version of this camera. I mean AS Pro 2 available in the market. Because of that, this camera price is very cheap now. Now you can get this camera around 1200 or 1300, or maybe on some shops it's 1100, 1150, like that. So almost 500 difference now between the prices of this camera, but this camera still have that quality that a YouTuber motovlogger needs. This is the reason I told you to buy this camera, because these all accessory available in the market, especially online on AliExpress and Amazon. You can buy. I got this frame from Amazon, some accessory from the AliExpress, some from other third-party app. I got it online because online you will get cheap, but in the Dubai, in the UAE, is these accessories too much expensive. Anyway, this is camera price I told you. Now let's move to the DJI mic here. I'm using DJI mic 2. It's very useful for me. It helps me a lot. If my receiver is here, then where is my transmitter? Where is my mic? This is the mic, the one I am mounting here. As you can see, DJI mic 2 coming with this 2 transmitter. The one I am using in the helmet, the one I am using, that one also I am using. My transmitter I am using in my motovlog. The one that I am using, that is in my bag. Okay, backpack. You guys here see, always I'm wearing backpack. I will show you. Wait, this is my backpack, the one I'm using during ride, during making motovlog. But when I'm going to the work, I'm not using this backpack. I have another backpack. So the other transmitter is here. You can see I'm using this transmitter to get the clear exhaust sound, because my exhaust is here. That's why I'm using this transmitter, additional transmitter. That's why I said I'm using both transmitter of the DJI mic 2, one for the exhaust and one for my voice. The one I showed you here, this is the transmitter I'm using. So this mic, DJI mic 2, it cost me around 1,300. Why? What happened with the exposure, man? Okay, so DJI mic 2, it cost me around 1,300, but now maybe the price goes down. I bought it 1 year, or maybe no 1 year, like 6 months, like that. I bought it 1,300, so maybe now it get cheap. I didn't check the prices, latest prices of this mic. Okay, the other thing, this adapter here, it's cost me only this adapter, not like this one, the mic adapter, like this thing, it cost me 100 dirham. at only 100 dirham for this mic adapter, and this and you are not going to make moto vlog without this adapter. Okay, who's making moto vlog, they know already, but the guys they want to know that what I am using, how I am making, and they are newly entering in motovlog, this video for them. Okay, so this cost me around 100, and you can see this mounts here, this J mount and these things. I bought the motorcycle bundle from the Insta 60, and that bundle cost me 150 dirham, only that. And there are 2 or 3 mounts like that there, and there are some clips like this one. You can see, man, what's wrong with the exposure? These are the clips. There are 3 clips in that box. There are 2 mounts. There are some this kind of what you call that, shoe mount or extended mount. We can say I can extend my setup like until here, but I don't need. Still I want to make it short, but there is no way to make it more short, because if I make like this, my LCD will touch here or here. I cannot move my camera upward more. So that's why this is best what I am using. This is best angle, the one I am creating my videos here with this angle. So this all mount here, it's from the Insta360 bundle pack. This bundle, mic, and this camera, and this frame, the one I am using to mount everything on this frame, like this one, this you can see it cost me around 60 dirham. And there are some more small things like the clips. I bought that one, and it's coming this one. I used to mount my selfie Insta360 selfie stick until here, so I can record my front shot, my front face shot. So that stick also cost me 110 dirham. Yes, Insta360, very good quality that stick. This is the one I'm using. This is not the smallest one, this is the medium one. There is one large, there is one smallest one. This is the medium size. I pick up, these are the clips I was telling you. These are the metal clips. This one I bought around 60 or 70 dirham. This stick cost me 110 dirham. And there is another clip, the one I use to mount on my bike if I want to mount my camera. Let me show you. Sorry, I'm using only one hand. This is the mount clip, clump we can say, the one I am using. This is the company. You can buy this any camera accessory shop is available. It cost me around 250 dirham, guys. This only clump. There is some small thing with this one, like clips and extra. There is little accessory with this one. This clip cost me around 250. If I want to mount my camera somewhere else on my bike, for example here, for example here, for example other side, I want to take some rolling shot, so I will mount this clamp on another bike, my buddy, my friend bike. As you see in my some shorts videos, I'm the one I'm uploading in these days. This is the clamp I'm using, so it helps me a lot. This battery, there is one additional battery in this one, in this charger, and one in the camera. I have 2 batteries. If I am run out from one battery, I have a backup battery with me. And this is not a what you call that, rechargeable case. You need to plug type C charging cable in it. Okay, so it can charge your batteries. And the last and not at the least, helmet. Your helmet is more important in the motovlogging, guys. If you want to reduce the air noise in your motovlog, in your voice, there is, if you are going 120 plus, 130 plus, 130, 120 kilometer, 130 kilometer, there is too much air pressure you will feel in the helmet. If you want to reduce that thing, you need to buy a good helmet. So this helmet I bought with the bike. It cost me around 800 dirham. It's a MotoGP, but I want to upgrade now because it's too old already. I'm using it since I bought the bike. I want to upgrade it. So this is, and how I am mounting, sorry, I forgot how I mount this thing in the helmet. It's the one I'm removing easily and then fixing it easily. This is the clip I am using. Let me show you. This is the ring from DJI Osmo 4 gimbal. I bought like 2 years before. So this rings coming with that gimbal. It's helped me a lot now. I have this one spare like extra. Okay, and this magnet you can see back of this clip. It's from DJI with the mic. It's coming with the mic, DJI mic to mic. Why I clip here? Why I mount this magnet here? I can remove it easily. You can see because it makes the power double of this magnet. This one is already magnet. This one is already magnet, but with this magnet, it makes the more power to handle my transmitter here. All right, I fix it and I'm going to remount here. That's it. We are good to go. So this is the most cleanest setup I am using. The one I'm show you. I guide you about the prices, about the product, whatever I'm using here. I hope I didn't miss anything. I guide you about the helmet. But you can choose LS2 helmet. They are very good. Or you can go for a Scorpion helmet. They are also very good. And prices are also affordable for those helmet. But choose a good helmet for your motovlogging, guys. Okay. Choose a good helmet. I'm telling you. Okay. So I will give you one more tip. Choose the helmet who have this chin pad. This chin pad, you can see this chin pad. There is should be a chin pad. Ignore my buckle, is out of color now. So this chin pad will reduce your voice air noise inside the helmet, this chin pad. Okay, so make sure whatever you are going to buy any brand of the helmet, so make sure there is a chin pad of the helmet. It will help you to kill the extra noise for of the air pressure, whatever you can say. Okay, boys, now my mouth is dry already because I came from work. I didn't eat. I didn't drink anything because it was getting dark. So I thought before getting dark, I need to make this video so I can upload it tomorrow. So yes, I hope I didn't miss anything. If I miss, if you want to ask about anything, guys, okay, feel free to comment me or DM me on my Instagram, link in the description. That's my new Instagram account. Okay, so yes, it was my motovlog setup, guys. I show you the who's don't care about the money, they can afford this kind of setup. Is not budget friendly. I'm repeating again and again. Okay, so those can go for this setup. Go for this setup, guys. It will help you a lot. It will save your time, it will save your energy, and you will enjoy it a lot because it's a neat and clean setup I showed you. Oh, thank you so much. All right, guys, and see you in the next video. It's getting dark here, and I need to edit this video, export this video already, and I need to upload it as soon as possible. I'm very excited for you guys, those who's coming to my channel, new guys coming to my channel. I really appreciate. Stay tuned, ride safe. Bye bye.